Hello everyone, welcome to Literature Insights. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn about the Objectivism movement in poetry. So let's get started. The Objectivist poets were a group of second generation modernists who emerged in the 1930s. They were mainly American and were influenced by poets like Ezra Pound and William Carlos Williams. The basic tenets of objectivist poetics, as defined by Louis Zukowski, who is the primary instigator of the group, were to treat the poem as an object and to emphasize sincerity, intelligence, and the poet's ability to look clearly at the world. The core group consisted of Americans like Louis Zukowski, Charles Reznikov, George Oppen, Carl Rakosi, and the British poet Basil Bunting. Later, another American poet, Lorraine Niedecker, became associated with the group. So, I am repeating the names of the members again. The members are Louis Zukowski, Charles Reznikov, George Oppen, Carl Rakosi, the British poet Basil Bunting, and then the American poet Lorraine Niedecker. So one of them is British and the British one is Basil Bunting and rest of them are American poets. So that's it about the Objectivism movement in poetry. But there is another movement called Objectivism associated with the Russian-born American author and philosopher Alice O'Connor, who is also known by her pen name Ayn Rand. She is known for her fiction and for developing a philosophical system she named Objectivism. Ayn Rand is basically popular for her two novels, which are The Fountainhead and her novel Atlas Shrugged. The Fountainhead and Atlas Shrugged. So you need to remember this thing that the name of the group is similar to Ayn Rand's School of Philosophy, but these two movements are not affiliated. They are different. Okay, so do remember that. And that is it for this video. I'll be coming up with more such videos. Stay tuned for that and thank you very much for watching.